गाजियाबाद के सभी अभिभावकों का हाईटेक का नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, गाजियाबाद में शिक्षा का स्तर काफ़ी अच्छा है। खासकर छात्राओं की शिक्षा को लेकर बहुत सारे पुराने और अच्छे संस्थान जैसे कि राजकीय कन्या इंटर कॉलेज विजयनगर, श्री गुरु नानक कन्या इंटर कॉलेज लोहियानगर, महर्षि दयानंद विद्यापीठ गोविंदपुरम, सुशीला इंटर कॉलेज मॉडल टाउन, सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर जैसे संस्थान कार्यरत हैं। हाईटेक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी गाजियाबाद की हमेशा से ही एक पहल रही है कि 12वीं के बाद पैसे के अभाव में किसी भी छात्रा की पढ़ाई न रुक जाए। हाईटेक इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी कन्या छात्रवृत्ति को हमेशा से ही प्रोत्साहित करता आया है। हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी छात्राएं बहुत ही कम फीस में कन्या छात्रवृत्ति की तहत पढ़ाई कर रही हैं और बहुत सारी छात्राएं पढ़ाई करके बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों में 20,000, 25,000, 50,000 यहाँ तक कि 1 लाख की सैलरी तक पे भी कार्यरत हैं। हमारा मानना है कि अगर एक लड़की पढ़ाई करती है तो 2 परिवार शिक्षित होते हैं। आइए हम देखते हैं कि ये छात्राएं अपने जीवन में कैसा कर रही हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Diya Prajapati. I have completed my 12th standard from Sri Guru Nanak Girls Inter College, Lohianagar, Ghaziabad. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology branch from High-Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is affiliated to Abdul Kalam Technical University. So I am telling about my college. The best thing about High-Tech College is that High-Tech College organize girls scholarship test every year in all government schools. I participated in girls scholarship test and I got 100% scholarship, due to which I got a chance to fulfill my dreams. I got admission in High-Tech College through the girls scholarship, which is distributed by High-Tech College. Scholarship gives opportunity who have financial problem. Our teachers are very supportive and the college provide us every facility which is important for a student enhancement. In first year we got a wonderful fresher party from college, which is one of the memorable event, and also lots of company visits High-Tech College every year and gives 100% placement. Our college is entirely dedicated to make students productive and technical. I am very glad to be the part of High-Tech family. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan. I'm from Ghaziabad. I have been a student of Government Girls Inter College, Vijayanagar, Ghaziabad, and currently I'm pursuing electrical engineering from High-Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology. I would like to share one of my school time favorite teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Jhakar, who inspired me to study engineering. From my school time, I was in touch with High-Tech College and I visited here for many technical seminars, annual functions. So after analyzing everything, I became very sure that High-Tech is the college which would be a great choice for my engineering journey. Then I got opportunity to give girls a scholarship test conducted by High-Tech. That scholarship test helped me a lot. I'm also a hostler and I get all kind of supports and facilities which makes me feel like home here. Within 2 last year, I got to many technical trainings and seminars from my electrical department, and I also got opportunity to work upon science projects, and I could make automatic fan regulator with the help of my teachers. Beside all these technical things, High-Tech has a separate department, CCP, which entirely work upon for transforming a normal student to a future engineer by working upon their personality development, soft skill, and professional etiquettes. So, last but not the least, I would like to thank my college for giving me a comfortable zone of study. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Priya pursuing BBA program from High-Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology. As I share experience of my college life, I can think this program I could bring clarity of thoughts, confidence, conviction, knowledge in me and my goals. The training program MS Excel, GST, Tally has enhanced my skill, adding to the knowledge base. I completed my 12th standard from Shushila Girls Inter College and also want especially Miss Shweta, my computer teacher, and making a fun subject to the easily learn.
Hi all, my name is Priyanka Gaur and I'm a passer of 2013 batch from High-Tech Institute. Currently I am working with JP Morgan and Chase in Bangalore. I'm very glad to share my success story with you all. So the reason I chose High-Tech is because of its culture. For me, High-Tech has played a very vital role in building my successful career. As far as I know, in having a successful life and career, there has to be a proper balance between theoretical and practical knowledge. And I guess High-Tech, with well-equipped infrastructure and highly professional faculties, High-Tech has always been a great pillar in building a successful life for their students. I think High-Tech is a place where you can find amalgamation of learning, fun, literature, and such life-reaching activities. I'm also thankful to my training and placement cell in providing me such a platform where I can enhance my skill and showcase my talent. And at the end, I just wanted to say that High-Tech is definitely going to change your life in positive terms. And I'm very proud to be in High-Tech.
कन्या छात्रवृत्ति से संबंधित अधिक जानकारी के लिए नीचे दिए हुए नंबरों पे कृपया संपर्क करें। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो। जय हिंद।